Yeah, true salute. Today welcome for football and Pidgin. After match, talk about how you see them. Manchester United 3 and Arsenal 1. And we get DJ 6 we be like a very ogbonge Man U fan. Make on tell us about how you see this game. DJ 6 on not shock Arsenal for inside this game because going into this game, many Arsenal fans they talk say, oh, more than one use Man U shine. But how you see Manchester United performance for this match?
Yeah, first of all, thank you. You say we don't shock them. Nobody shock now, shock no reach Shokavelli.
Not be like
The match, Man U, and I will give our up to Arsenal. Arsenal play good football, but favor them on Man U. Man U really deliver. They use their chances well. But at the end, when they put Maguire, I sure say this one will be one of the fastest yellow card I don't see for Premier League.
as he
Enter, I collect. So it's very obvious. Say that guy is showing what they pull Man U back. And big ups to Man U for their recent matches. They really make us proud. I swear to God. And I see they pray for my Ronaldo. I know say coming back to Man U now bad thing to us, now wrong decision. But at the end, Man U, Manchester United, they're going to give us joy. They'll give us joy.
All right, now I want to ask you about you. Now you don't talk say Manchester United go give the fans joy, and what that one thing where the fans they shout for, may they give them joy. They want to see the team they perform at that high level and elite level. But I want to ask you about Erik ten Hag now. We know say when he come, the first two games he lose against Brighton and against Brentford. But it can't be like saying now the club don't turn the corner. How you see Erik ten Hag work when they do as Manchester United manager so far?
Yeah, at first, when that guy come in as the manager, due to the poor performance, I not really too bad on him. But at the end now, I get to see that guy say he's a man of statistics. The guy they play card well. He they watch the game well. And with the way they go on now, so I did very sure say Manchester United they on safe hands. But me will not too hype and sha. Will not too hype. And the way they start up like this now, may continue like that.
Mostly they watch
And the people where they give him advice now, may they continue. Big ups to him, big ups to him, big ups to Manchester United. Big ups as in the joy where they give us not be play. Because we believe if us it don't finish. Last season and starting of this season, the performance was very poor. We just look and say Manchester United they don't finish. But now the joy is much. And we get the mind say Premier League will fucking it this season.
So make I ask you also about Anthony Santos, the new winger we come from Ajax, £100 million signing. But how you see him performance? Today night debut, big match against Arsenal, and he don't let people know say he don't come because he deliver goal. How you see Anthony Santos debut for today match?
Yeah, Santos now one player I not really to follow up. But one thing I really noticed from the guy, when they sign him when I follow Manchester United on Instagram, he make one statement. He said you can see now I'm wearing the JC of one of the best club in the world. And actually now he they represent the best club in the world. So Anthony, the way it is start. The thing for me to praise Manchester United players are the fear. So the way they are the fear. So the way they say they deliver now, more they deliver like that. But for Anthony, the performance was great, and he really delivered at the time when we need him at the most. So his signing is not a regret; it's a great signing. Bigs up to Anthony. Bigs up to Anthony, boss.
All right, now DJ 6 I want to ask you which player will be your man of the match for this game?
Yeah, to me is my Rashford. Yeah, Rashford. Rashford really he tried playing football. But man not life for you. I'm a diehard Ronaldo fan. As in,
so they
diehard. So throughout the games, Ronaldo not be man where they come out for second half. Ronaldo they struggle. If Ronaldo not score match for Manchester United there, if you not score, a guy they do it for body. But for this event, this match, I give it up to Rashford.
All right, now, DJ 6 before I go let you go. With this kind of performance, where Man you know they perform now, how high you think say Manchester United go finish by the end of this season for the Premier League table?
Yeah, end of this season, the kind of vibe we did, if we can keep it up with this pace, I see ourselves on the top three. That's if we don't go home with the Premier League title.
All right, now DJ 6 your face show and your shoe shine.